have to talk to you, I said in a text, although I can see now that was probably the wrong thing to do, because you were worried all day, you were thinking it through, counting every eventuality, hypothetical realities, driving yourself to insanity over 6 words and a full stop. But boy, have I got news for you. Boy, have I got news for you. Sit down and I'll tell you, don't talk until I'm through, 'cause I have got some news for you. Every second verse is the man talking. I have to talk to you. Well, what kind of message is that? You do not have a clue how worried I've been today. My head is racing when I meet you, that's what you say, but my nerves are going to silence me. I can hear my heart beating inside of me, so I interrupt you with the first well-rehearsed lines. Boy, have I got news for you. Boy, have I got news for you. Sit down and I'll tell you, don't talk until I'm through, 'cause I have got some news for you. I am a little late, and I have done all the maths, calculated the date to the night I spent with you. So now I'm pregnant with 1 baby, possibly 2, because twins, they run in the family. I can see right now you're no big fan of me, but cheers for listening while I said what I had to say. Boy, have I got news for you. Boy, have I got news for you. Sit down and I'll tell you, don't talk until I'm through, 'cause I have got some news for you. You are a little late, well tell me now, how late is late? Do you know the due date? Are you sure this baby's mine? As it's no secret that you like to have a good time. I can see that your eyes are getting wet, but surely you're not hormonal yet. I'm sorry if my questions were a little bit harsh, but I wasn't expecting this, and you're not my missus, so something's amiss. And I didn't plan on being a dad at 22. I guess reckless abandon got us here, and I need some time to see it clear. This ain't gonna be easy, I fear. You walked me all the way home, holding my hand and ignoring the text on your phone from your friends inviting you out. You said you have more important things to think about, and who knows what in the future lies. But I hope that the kid's got its father's eyes, 'cause looking into yours made everything feel right. Boy, have I got news for you. Boy, have I got news for you. Sit down and I'll tell you, don't talk until I'm through, 'cause I have got some news for you. I have got some news for you. Boy, have I got news for you. And that never happened.